What is up, YouTube? So today we have a cool video here. We have the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra on the right side. Now, both these amazing cameras, like really amazing. Big sensor and all this on both of them. But who starts up faster? Good question. These phones both cost like $1,500 each or something. I mean, they're expensive. Okay, so let's see this. First of all, we can see that they are very identical in size. I mean, both are I think both are 6.7 inch, so that's big. Okay, I started them up at the same time, and it appears the Samsung phone is showing signs of life first. It's very weird on the iPhone how you get this like glitch on the Apple logo. Oh wow. Wait a sec. That was pretty much dominated by the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I should say this about, if we take this phone, this little phone, this S20 Ultra here on the side, this is actually the European variant. So it has the Exynos processor, which is, from what I've heard, it's not as good as the Snapdragon processor that you get in North America. The Snapdragon processor apparently is faster, so maybe that one would start up faster. We have iOS here, iOS 14. So let's see, can we see iOS 14.4.1? I downloaded the latest one. This one running on what software version is this? Software information. This one is running on One UI 3.1 and Android 11. Now, as we can see here, with these newer editions of software that we got the last couple of years, you don't really see any major differences here in menus. Both seems to copy each other. I mean, if you look at this, extremely identical, even even on the left side there, with those colors they're using the same kind of color scheme on both these phones. I find that very, very cool. So one thing I noticed with the iPhone that's a little bit annoying is this thing down at the bottom. You have this like line here. You can remove it if you want, and I'm probably going to do a video on how you can remove it, because it is annoying. You get this line in games when you're playing. It's quite annoying. I haven't checked so you can see on the Galaxy S20 Ultra you have this you have these buttons down here. I think I'm going to see if I can enable that on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, because I gotta say, this swiping to get to multitasking on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it seems a little weird because I can't do it if I'm not inside of an app. So when I'm used here on the screen, I can't do it. Like, I have to open an app and then I can use it. I don't like that much. I would like, you know what I would like? I would like if it was always down here, like a multitask button, so I can use scroll. Uses I can do on the Samsung phone. I also noticed another weird thing with the iPhone, and that was like when you want to turn it off, you you can't just click on one button because it activates Siri. But I have to like use two buttons, which I gotta say is also a little bit weird. I'm probably gonna find out more things about these phones, what I like and dislikes. But the first thing I gotta say is this one has a bringing back the premium feel, like very, very heavy. I like that, because it brings back it to the iPhone 5 days. This one is lighter, but it feels it's way lighter in the hand, but you get the same kind of size, which is nice if you want something that feels a little better in the hand. And I gotta say, I think the UI and the display, the refresh rate, it seems to be superior on the Samsung phone, because I know that Samsung is using, you can enable inside of the settings, you can enable this motion smoothness, so you get 120 hertz screen refresh rate. I haven't gone in exactly into the display to see if this one has it, but I don't think so, because personally my experience is not 120 hertz on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yeah, I'm gonna do more videos on these phones, probably some benchmark tests, and that's gonna be awesome.